Thinking about building your first home? If you're considering building your first home, congratulations! It's a big step, and it means you're investing in your future. But I also know it can feel overwhelming. There's a lot of information, a lot of options, a lot of fear around making the wrong choice. That's why at Lifestyle Design Homes, we make the process simple, transparent, and supportive, especially for the first-time home builders. We guide you through everything: choosing the lot, picking the floor plan, selecting the finishes, financing, and the final walkthrough. You don't have to know it all. That's what we're here for. Your first home should feel exciting, not stressful. And you should feel heard, supported, and confident every step of the way. So, if you're thinking about building your first home, just remember, you don't have to do it alone. We'd be honored to walk that journey with you and help you build something you're truly proud of. Ready to explore what's possible? Comment the word BUILD and we'll send you the link to schedule your no obligation consultation today.